I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I build bodies that shut down rooms, baby.
381, 143 pounds. So it works. Come on, let's get it. I was 275 when I delivered my child. I am down 70 pounds. The moment I watched the video, I knew you were going to be the person to change my life.
So if you tired of your pooch, get my super stomach shredder membership at KenyaCrooksNetwork.com and get my other products too right now.
What's happening? Look, I'm about to give you your move up today, but make sure you get the super stomach shredder membership because I'm going to help you lose 20 to 40 pounds in the next 30 days. I'm going to make sure you go poochless, give you the high round booty and a body that will shut down any and every room you step into. So make sure you get the super stomach shredder membership. Again, all you need is a phone and my supplement line to get super sexy and super fine. I train superstars, and guess what? I'm going to help you look like one, too, no matter where you are on the planet. So you want thighs like Serena. You want a high-round booty like Serena. I'm going to give you a move that's going to help you achieve that look. Now, what you're going to do, you'll be here, so you're going to squat, and then you're going to jump. Squat, jump. See how I fall back into it? But you say, Coach, I don't have a ball. I don't have a ball, Coach. That's fine. You still can do the same move, okay? So you're here, boom, and you jump as high as you can. Give me 20 of those. But you say, Coach, I got bad knees. No problem. Squat, boom, squat, lift. Again, get me 20. And if you got me, say, I got you, Coach. Again, this is going to help your inner thighs, your thighs, and your booty. So try it, and in the comment section, put I got you, Coach, and let me know when you've done this move. Come back, put hashtag done, just to let me know you've knocked out 20. Now, life homework. And if this is for you, say you talking to me, Coach, stop settling, y'all. It's time to level up. Stop settling. I see people do it all the time in relationships. Just settle and not get what they're due because they settled on certain things. Again, you got to understand that you're the finest of the fine. You're one of a kind. But if you don't see yourself in that light, nobody else will either. Always remember, everything starts with you. Let me say it again. Everything starts with you. So how they treat you is a reflection of how you think of you. So you got to change your perception of yourself. You got to understand your importance and don't let anybody treat you less than your importance. Again, you're one of a kind. You're one of a kind. You're special. You're awesome. You're a pop star, a P.O.P., a person on purpose. So live out your purpose, but live it on a greater and greater stage, on a bigger level. Again, it's time to level up. Stop dumbing your stuff down. It's time to level up from your body to your money to your relationships. If you agree to level up, say, I got you, Coach, and let's get it. Let's dominate Tuesday the way you're supposed to. Knock out this move and knock out your life homework. And if you got me, say I got you, Coach. Again, get the super stomach shredder membership, and I look forward to coaching you personally. So let's get it. We're going to shut down some rooms this summer.